Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: creative enabled, party leader status, and island code capability. Once confirmed, launch Fortnite and go straight to the Creative Hub. Make sure to choose Create, then My Island. This opens your private island settings. You're starting the match build now? Skip extra menus. Toggle settings to private and assign team slots. Set a clear map name and description so invited players know the rules. This gets you into the first actionable state for a custom match. Next, configure the core match rules that govern gameplay. You'll open game settings and set time limit, score limit, respawn behavior, and friendly fire. These determine pacing and fairness. Then assign teams, choose solo or custom teams, and set max players per slot so matchmaking behaves predictably. After that, place devices. Match Manager to run rounds, HUD to show scores, spawn pads for proper starts, and mutators for special effects. Make sure to test round flow with one quick run to validate logic. Finally, prepare to invite and launch your custom match. Set the island to private, copy the island code, and send invites to players. You control access. You must run a full playtest with the intended player count, observe spawns, timing, and scoring to spot glitches. Once satisfied, start the match, monitor the first round, and make on-the-fly tweaks. If something breaks, try resetting device order, reassigning teams, or rebuilding the match manager. These quick fixes resolve most issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.